If you are holding altcoins, you guys need to pay attention in this video because we are gonna discuss what is gonna happen in this cycle for altcoins, because we have over 2.4 million coins or tokens existing right now, and it is totally different than previous cycles. In previous cycles, we had maximum of 20 or 30,000 coins, which if we consider that every day new coins being added and being created, and if you guys pay attention, every many hours we are having many tokens being added, and most of them have a lot of money being invested in them. And you guys can see that each of these coins have a portion of total market cap being in crypto market, and you guys see that it brings down the chance of a lot of coins giving 100x, 200x, 1000x, or many thousand x's like the last cycle, because the coins that you are holding right now, you do not know how much pump they are going to get in this cycle, considering that how many coins being existed. And of course, we have talked about where I believe that Bitcoin is going to start pumping. You guys see that Bitcoin has been pumping and it has reached over $60,000, but now it is being traded around $60,000, which it is where Bitcoin has Fibonacci retracement of 0.236. So it has not still confirmed that we are back to bullishness. This could be another pullback before going back down to retouch 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, which would be around $51,000. But in general, if I want to tell you my honest opinion, because I'm looking at Heikin-Ashi chart of USDT dominance, it is showing that because of having drop base drop and these green candles, we are meeting around that area, and usually there is a huge possibility that we start getting rejected around this level that we used to be, and we can start going lower. But I want you guys to pay attention in the previous bull market that we had, with all the pumps that altcoins and Bitcoin got. We have a similar situation. We had the drop base drop, which I will show you in the previous market, Bitcoin market, when we had this happening. We had this drop base drop, but when we had this going up, we did not stop around here and we did not start going back down. And you guys know that if we go up for USDT, that is very bearish, which this area was around where the bear market had started, which would be end of 2021. And if I want to show you in the chart, it was around this area. We had our peak of $69,000 in previous bull market. And you guys see when we had this base rally, it was exactly where we had drop base drop for USDT dominance. And after we touched this line that I have talked about many times before, we touched this white line again, we got rejected, it started going up, but we did not go back down once we reached to this area. So if we want to consider it the same thing, drop base drop, so it might not get rejected and go back down to retouch this line. But there is a difference that timing wise we were almost done with the bull market. So it was end of 2021, but we are in 2024, and supposedly we are supposed to have up to at least mid 2025 or end of 2025. So it will be somewhere around this yellow line that I have already in here. So hopefully we will not go up to this level, and that will crash Bitcoin very hard. I am still believing that maximum we will go back down to this red line where we had base rally, although we had touched it once, but we might go back down, get a little bit of consolidation, and start the real bull run, where I believe that altcoins will start rallying very hard. So I have been accumulating a lot of altcoins, and I do not really care that if we are going to go back down another 10,000, because altcoins have given me enough discount that I have been getting in a lot of small and new projects, that there is a huge possibility that they will be big in the future. And I will, in the next video, I will show you guys it would prove that, because I had already mentioned that we have many tokens existing in this market, why you should not put all your eggs in one basket or even 5 baskets. That's why, because you do not know if the coins you are owning, if it's gonna have a huge portion from the market, so it will get you 2x, 3x, 5x, or 10x. So that's why it is concerning for me that even if we go back down to get to this white line, and there is a huge possibility that we will get rejected again, and that will be almost starting the bear market, we will not see a lot of altcoins pumping. But we can say that a lot of altcoins do not pump at the same time, and there are many whales who take their money out of one altcoin and pump the other coins after they make money from the previous one. So the money will keep moving around from coins to coins, and that would not be that concerning for a lot of good projects. But in general, you need to own more coins to hit the jackpot, considering we have a lot of coins and we do not have enough money getting into market with the speed of coins being created every day. I hope it makes sense. If we had the speed of money getting into the market with the speed of new coins being created, that would not be concerning. But the amount of coins being created every day, it passes so much faster than the money is being needed for the market to pump every single coin. And that's why I am holding a lot of altcoins, and I'm not only relying on a couple of good coins. Even top 100 coins might be promising coins, but nobody knows how much in this bull run they will be pumped. And most of them, because they are already on billions of dollars, they would not give the same X's, such as Shiba Inu that gave millions of X's in the last bull run. With considering $8 billion being its market cap, it has to double this amount to give only 2x for whoever is just buying this coin right now. So the money is growing in the market and getting into the market a lot slower than the coins being created, and each coin have a portion of the market cap in total market cap. I asked you guys in the community, and 66 of you guys voted that 56% of you are only holding altcoins, and only 14% of you are only Bitcoin, and 29% are holding both, and 2% was nothing yet. I would not advise anybody to not hold anything, because I did the same thing long time ago when we were around $15,000, although I was holding a lot of altcoins, but it was not enough to satisfy me with the pumps we got from the alt season that we had in the mid bear market. So I would not be surprised if we break above this level, which I said that there would be a huge possibility that my first target would be around 6.98-ish area, and we might still get rejection and start going back down, and that would be start of the bull market, and it will bring down BTC back to around $49, $50, $52,000 area, and that will be the best time if we get the confirmation from USDT that we are gonna start going down. That will be the best opportunity for altcoins to be bought and wait for the pumps. So let's hope that something like this is not going to happen for where we are right now. And if we keep getting green candles and start going higher, that would almost cancel the bull market, and we will probably never see altcoins start rallying. And a lot of these coins, 2.4 million, most of them are going to go to zeros, because a lot of people are just gonna sell for loss and leave the market forever. But I am still optimistic about market. I am still waiting for another leg up for Bitcoin, for at least up to having our fifth wave. This would be 3, 4, and the fifth wave, I do not know how high we will go. But a lot of guys talking about we are having a cup and handle, and I would not disagree with this because it really does look like a cup and handle. This is a cup all the way to all-time high, and this is the handle. And once we break up above $65,000, that will be the area that I would get the most bullishness, because we had the previous rejection around $65,000. We need to go above $65,000 and hold there, and that will be almost the first confirmation for me that bull market has started, and we will see a lot of altcoins start rallying. So this is another video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment down below your opinion. Take a moment and like the video. Share this video with your friends if you found it helpful. And I will see you in the next video.